too emotional, or maybe nothing at all. Somewhere inside, you know something's off, but you can't quite name it. I'm Tina, and if you're here, it's likely because you are still carrying around the emotional weight of childhood. These wounds don't always show up the way that we expect. They hide in our habits, our fears, our relationships. And today I want to talk to you about 7 subtle but very powerful signs that you may still be carrying around childhood wounds. Sign 1, overreacting to the small triggers. You drop something, you forget a task, you get criticized, and suddenly your whole body tightens up. It feels big, like it's too much. That may not be overreacting. It may be your nervous system remembering a time when mistakes weren't safe. You're not crazy, you're remembering. The second sign, people pleasing. Pleasing to stay safe. Do you find yourself saying yes when you really mean to be saying no? Walking on eggshells, avoiding conflict at all cost. This comes from childhood patterns where love had to be earned, approval meant safety. But let me say this clearly, healthy love does not require self-abandonment. The third sign, fear of abandonment or rejection. Even in good relationships, somebody pulls away and suddenly you feel that anxiety feeling. You might over apologize or scramble to fix things fast. These behaviors often stem from early attachment disruptions. Your heart is just trying not to be hurt again. You are safe to pause and breathe. You are safe to just be. The fourth sign, struggling to ask for help. Hyperindependence isn't always strength. It's often a survival strategy. If you had to parent yourself growing up, it may feel unsafe to trust or rely on others, but support is not weakness. It's a sacred act of healing. Sign 5, a harsh inner critic. You hear it all the time. I should be doing more. I'm failing. I'm not enough. That critical voice. It often echoes what was modeled to us, parents, teachers, caretakers, who were too hard on us. It's time to rewrite that narrative. Your worth was never up for debate. Sign 6, feeling numb or disconnected. Maybe you feel nothing at all, like you're just going through the motions. That's not failure, that's self-protection. And your system learned how to shut down when emotions felt unsafe. And now, gently, we can start walking back up with breath work, grounding, and compassion, self-compassion. The 7th sign, not knowing who you truly are. If your identity was shaped around being what others needed, you may find yourself asking, who am I? Who am I really? That question isn't a crisis. It's an awakening, and it means your true self is ready to come forward. Your childhood wounds are not your fault, but your healing, that's your power. You are not broken. You are healing. Every step that you take back towards yourself matters. If this message resonates with you, know that you're not alone. You've already begun the journey. Inside my free app, Back to You, we guide you through meditation, breath work, energy clearing to gently unwind the past so your future can begin. You're ready, and I'm here with you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and that way you'll be right there for the next video. Okay, many blessings to you. Tina Bridgetini here, and I look forward to working with you on your healing journey.